Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can format your flash drive using CMD. So let's ask this question: why would you need to format your USB drive using CMD? Okay, at times when you try to format your USB drive you get a certain error. So let me show you the error. This one: Windows was unable to complete the format. At this stage, you can't format your USB drive normally, okay? And you need to use some softwares or CMD, okay? But in this video, guys, we are going to use CMD such that when we try to format a USB drive that had this error, this error here, it will be successful. So what we need to do is to run CMD as an administrator, okay? CMD, then you run as administrator, then you start typing the commands. So guys, let me just open Notepad so that I can show you the commands that we need to type inside the CMD. So guys, the first command that we will type is called diskpart. Diskpart command will change the directory to disk partition, okay? Then the second command that we will type is called list disk. So the list disk command will list all the available storage devices, either attached or the internal storage devices, through the CMD, okay, such that we can select that particular drive that we want to format, okay? Then number 3, we need to select that particular drive that is having the problem. So select disk, let's say it's disk 1 or 2 or 3, blah 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 blah, okay? After selecting that kind of disk, guys, you clean. Now the fourth command, you clean. You type a command called clean, okay? Clean will clean all the data, will delete all the data in that particular storage device, okay? And now the fifth command, guys, you create partition primary, okay? This command will create the partition, okay? And now after creating the partition primary, you need to format now the USB drive. So the sixth command will be format space file system fs is equal to, you can specify whichever file system that you want it to format it to, okay? For example, exFAT, FAT32, NTFS, but in our case we will need to specify NTFS. Then make the format very quick, okay? Sixth command here. Now the seventh command, guys, we need to assign a drive letter. Suppose it's not assigned automatically, you just specify a command called assign, okay? So these 7 commands, after running them on CMD, that particular USB drive that had problems will be completely solved, okay? So this is the USB that I have, and whenever I try to format this USB drive, I was getting this error: Windows was unable to complete the format, okay? So I have to use CMD. And guys, let's start. I said the first command was diskpart, and you hit enter. Now list disk. As you can see, now there are 2 disks here. The first disk is my primary, the internal hard disk, okay? And now from disk 1 are those peripherals or the plugged in storage devices, okay? And in my case, I have only one removable disk, which is my 16 GB flash disk. So it's disk 1. I will select disk 1, okay, because it's that disk that we wanna format, okay? And you hit enter. After selecting that disk, guys, you clean, you delete all the data in that particular flash disk, okay? Just specify a command called clean and you hit enter. As you can see, diskpart succeeded in cleaning the disk. After cleaning, guys, let's create partition primary. You just say create partition primary. Very simple, and you hit enter. As you can see, this part succeeded in creating the specified partition, okay, as primary. Okay, so what do we do now? Now we format this flash disk. Which command? Format file system fs is equal to ntfs. Okay, then make the format very quick. Format file system is equal to ntfs quick. Okay, and you hit enter. As you can see, 0% completed, so we just have to wait. It will be very, very quick. Around 30 seconds it will be done. Let's just give it time. As you can see, this part successfully formatted the volume. Okay, and now what do? You assign a drive letter to that particular storage device. Suppose it's not assigned automatically. Okay, hit enter. Good, guys. As you can see, it's come here. It's pretty much okay, guys. It's pretty much okay. So CMD is a very important tool that you can, it's a very, very powerful tool that you can use to repair your flash disk. Okay, so let's go back again. I'll say exit again. So let's try to format this USB drive again using the normal window, and let's just start. And okay, let's just give it time. Okay, it's done. As you can see, format complete. It is successful, and now our USB drive is successfully repaired. Okay, so these are the command. Don't forget, these are the command. When selecting disk, don't select the first disk. The disk 0, don't select it because it's your hard disk. Okay, and all will be successful. Alright, guys, please subscribe to my channel, like, and drop a comment below. Bye.